Hi lovelies, welcome to Anne's Delicious Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. On the menu, I have one of my favorite recipe, red, which is made from beans and palm oil. This will be enjoyed with fried plantains. I hope you will be inspired to try this recipe. So this recipe will be made with a twist, and as you can see, these are the ingredients I will use for this delicious recipe. I will be naming them as I cook, and the measurements of the ingredients will be listed in the description down below. Without wasting much time, let's get started. For this recipe, I will use black-eyed beans. Now, to shorten the cooking process, soak the beans in water overnight. I did not do this, and so the beans will take a while to cook, for about 40 minutes or till soft. So I have washed my beans and it's been transferred into a pot. Added water, and for a minty flavor, I have sprinkled a bit of dried thyme over the beans. This is optional to use. So once this is done, transfer the pot on the stove and start cooking the beans. I will now go ahead and prep my marinade using 2 red onions, a thumb of ginger, 2 scotch bonnet peppers, garlic cloves, and water to blend the ingredients smoothly. So after blending the ingredients, this is the consistency you are looking for. Let's set it aside and slice the spinach. Yes, I am going to use spinach for this bean stew. We are staying on the healthy side. So all you need to do is to slice the spinach thinly. And once it's sliced thinly, set it aside for later use. In case you don't want to use spinach or any veggies, it's fine. You can still make a delicious beans stew, okay? In my blender, I have 1 cup of chopped tomato and half a carrot, which will be blended smoothly. At this point, I have prepped my ingredients and it's time to make the stew. On the left hand side of the stove, I have my beans. So, in my pot, I have added 1 cup of Zomi Palm oil and 1 red diced onion. Fry this for about 2 minutes on medium heat. After 2 minutes, go ahead and add your marinade and cook this for about 3 minutes on medium heat. This is how the mix looks like. After a few minutes, go ahead and add your tomato and carrot mix and stir till it's well combined. To flavor the stew, I have added 1 bay leaf. This is optional to use. I almost forgot to add my tomato paste, so I just added half of it. Normally, when I make my stew, I like to add my tomato paste after I've added my blended mix. So at this point, all you need to do is to stir till it's well combined and allow the mixture to simmer for about 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Since I did not soak my beans overnight, I did mention that it's going to take about 40 minutes to cook. So after 20 minutes, check on your beans, and if you need to add a bit more of water, go ahead and do this and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. When I make this stew, I like to enjoy this with sweet plantains or ripened plantains. You can also enjoy it with rice. I will go ahead and cut both ends of the plantain, then make a slit from top to down. Remove the peel and cut it into my desired size. So, I will repeat this process until all the plantains are done. Once all the plantains are peeled and cut into your desired size, go ahead and transfer the plantains in a bowl. Add water and salt to flavor the plantains. Allow it to season for about 20 minutes or longer if you desire. Okay? Let's check on the sauce. Once the oil has risen to the surface, it's an indication that the sauce has finished cooking and it's ready. Allow me to check on the beans as well. You want to crush it between your fingertips to access if it's soft and ready for use. At this point, I can go ahead and add the beans in the stew. Mix well and allow it to simmer for 8 minutes on medium-low heat. After 8 minutes, go ahead and add your protein or seafood. I will use 1 pack of king prawns. If you have ever tried king prawns for your bean stew, kindly let me know. Allow the stew to simmer for 5 minutes. It's now time to season the stew. I like to use different seasonings. So here I have 1 shrimp cube and 1 chicken cube. Adobo seasoning. A 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. 1/2 teaspoon of chili and garlic seasoning. Then I will mix till it's well combined. At this point, go ahead and add your sliced spinach. This stew is on another level. It's healthy and delicious. Allow the mix to simmer for 3 minutes on medium heat. I will now go ahead and fry the plantains until golden. This is the outcome of the stew. Although it's seasoned, I still had to add a bit of salt. So there you go, the stew is ready. Food is ready and it's time to plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a feedback and become a part of this channel by subscribing. Thank you and stay blessed.